n8n or Make? Which one should you build on in 26? I tested both. n8n's pitch is control. Open source, 195,000 plus GitHub stars, self-host free forever, no execution limits. Every AI agent decision is visible on the canvas. Cloud starts at €20 a month, or run it yourself for basically nothing. Make goes the other way. Never touch a server. It connects to 3,000 plus apps out of the box, and the visual builder is one of the easiest around. Free plan included, paid from $9, and 400,000 plus companies run on it. So, technical, want control, hate paying per execution? n8n. Want the biggest app library and zero hosting? Make. Full comparison and links in the description. New video every week. Subscribe.